comrades, fighters, and young revolutionaries. I greet you all in the name of our fearless youth movement, the Umkhonto Sizwe Youth League, the militant spear of the working class youth, born from the flames of resistance and sharpened in the furnace of our struggle. We gather here today not to only announce leadership structures, but to respond to a national crisis that has stolen the hopes, dignity, and future of our generation. South Africa's youth are simply not marginalized, but we're under siege. Today's 60% of young people are unemployed. More than 9.3 million youth aged between the age of 15 and 34 are not in unemployment, education, and training. These are not just statistics. These are our peers, our neighbors, our comrades, and brilliant minds sitting idle while their lead hoard the opportunity. We face landlessness, homelessness, and the daily humiliation of economic exclusion. We face over 130,000 teenage pregnancies a year, not because our youth are irresponsible, but because the system has failed to educate, support, and protect them by causing a feeling of helplessness and hopelessness. Our young women and girls live in fear. Gender-based violence, rape, trafficking, and crime are our daily realities. Meanwhile, access to tertiary education is still a dream, deferred to too many, with manifest dysfunction pushing towards thousands out of the classroom, and key among the reasons beyond corruption of the so-called GNU. Mental health, which affects over 73,000, or rather 73% of Black youth, along with substance abuse and the chronic absence of youth clinics, are silent epidemics in our communities. These are the chains that continue to bind our generation. But comrades, we are neither hopeless, nor helpless, nor powerless. We are young, and we carry within us the energy, the intellect, and the revolutionary will to fight for a better, just, and truly liberated South Africa. We have already announced our leadership structures in Gauteng, Limpopo, KwaZulu-Natal, and Mpumalanga. Today, we continue the rollout of that organizational machinery by unveiling the additions to the National Youth Detachment, the remaining provinces and regional detachments, as well as structural changes in the already appointed and established provinces as the following. The additions to the National Youth Detachment. Our deputy convener is Nongele Emily Mika from the Free State Province. Deputy coordinator is Vutunkuna from Limpopo. Our mobilizer is Aphelele Ngalima from the Eastern Cape. The fundraiser being Matapelo Sibelo from Mpumalanga Province. The national spokesperson is Mbali Matlofela from the Northwest. The additional member is Mihlali Matai from the Western Cape. And the additional member, which will be the head of elections and monitoring, will be Evans Zulu from the Northern Cape. Our head of policy is Siatemba Magwaza from KwaZulu-Natal. It's crucially important to note that Mihlali Matai will be the head of foreign affairs in the Youth League. Our provincial detachments. The convener of the Northwest Province is Uzenzo Slazo. Katleho Fame Sebako is the deputy convener. Bonolo Dire is the provincial coordinator. Umongezi Seleke is also the deputy coordinator. Johannes Beitumelo Sinomadi is the provincial mobilizer. Umpomoleme is the additional member. And Atlehang Tsatsimpe is the provincial fundraiser. The Free State Province. The provincial convener is Sonalo Situna. Deputy convener is Bongani Chonela. Tsidiso Mlotsi is the provincial coordinator. Ratabile Sihlem Sinto is the provincial deputy coordinator. The fundraiser is Matapelo Lesapo. And the mobilizer is Tepo Innocent Ntoa. The Eastern Cape. Convener is Sihle Moya. The deputy convener is Nabicha Klas. Coordinators Mbali Makala. Deputy coordinators Atandile Lubuzo. Lungile Jali is the mobilizer, and the fundraiser is Bendisima Man. The Western Cape. Somila Dodo is the convener. Pretty Road is the deputy convener. Siatemba Ndai is the coordinator. Kaya Matichi is the deputy coordinator. The mobilizer being Liabona Ngopola, and the fundraiser being Luyanda Mative. We have 3 additional members in the province of the Western Cape. These are Tando Machola, and Nkosi Masite and Lianela Nkulane. The Northern Cape. The convener is Vusi Ngobeze. The coordinator is Buntleng Petani. The additional changes that are now being made to the various established provinces being Limpopo, Gauteng, Mpumalanga, and KwaZulu-Natal for functionality and the fluidity of the organization are the following. In Limpopo, the deputy coordinator is Thokozani Ngumalo. In Mpumalanga, the additional member is Unomthandazo Bianca Zimu. The fundraiser is Nompumelelo Khumalo. In Gauteng, the following changes are made. The convener is Sinomusa Dlongwana. The deputy convener is Azania Kwadi. The coordinator is Junior Shilubani. Lungi Mela is the deputy coordinator, and the fundraiser is Unamandla Kotelala. Now we are going to the regions. The following are the regions of Limpopo province. Sekhukhune. The convener is Thato Ratlogo. The deputy convener is Tlapogadi Makubedi. The coordinator is Rachel Malope. Deputy coordinator is Nkosi Tumishi. The mobilizer is Lenda Seleke, and the fundraiser is Andres Selema. Vembe region. The convener is Mabasa Akani. The deputy convener is Makhado Adivao. The coordinator is Adivao Matawana. The deputy coordinator is Nduma Alfred. The fundraiser is Chifiwa Mavua, and the mobilizer is Resabelwe Langanani. Capricorn region. The convener is Mokhoba Masotla. The deputy convener is Madiatla Mpo. The coordinator is Madila Boshali. Deputy coordinator is Moloto Calvin. Mobilizer is Sibola Juanes. And the fundraiser is Matlodi Lizzy. Mopani region. The convener is Mashaule Gobet. Deputy convener is Mopenyani Mpumelelo. Coordinator is Matebula Shivutiso. Deputy coordinator is Komuto Mudiba. Mobilizer is Baloyi Riboningo. The fundraiser is Nimrod Maganga. Waterberg region. The convener is Ramabu Chiwela. Deputy convener is Tabang Kekana. The coordinator is Makai Lucy. Lekoko Kiabetswe is the mobilizer. The fundraiser is Matlodi Maria. Gauteng's regional detachment. Ekurhuleni. The convener is Unati Tefen. The convener is Lungile Mhlapo. The coordinator is Banele Khumalo. Deputy coordinator is Zama Foto. The mobilizer is Mbalenhle Masohlane. Fundraiser is Sporasi Mashibi. Additional member is Sibonga Msimango and Katlego Nebe. Tshwane region. The convener is Sfiso Mutau. Deputy convener is Tidimalo Maluleka. Coordinator is Petulo Matsimbi. Deputy coordinator is Lishono Lokau. Fundraiser is Kwanele Sibiya. Organizer is Talobuhle Makanya. Additional member is Tato Johannes Masinamela. Additional member is Tato Ntsoko. Greater Johannesburg region. The convener is Uzandile Nhlapo. The deputy convener is Shakil Kassan. Coordinator is Maleshono Lompiti. The deputy coordinator is Zwili or Zweli Yende. Mobilizer is Stembile Malenga, and the fundraiser is Buhle Lutuli. West Rand region. The convener is Buyani Koi. The deputy convener is Offensa Sitole. Coordinator goes to Tabanko Metsi. Deputy coordinator is Owami Bota. Fundraiser is Graduate Pungwayo. Mobilizer is Pelowasi Mahaule. Additional member is Thomas Leshakwe, and another additional member is Amanda Mgat. Sidibeng region. The convener is Tandiwe Makanya. Deputy convener is Andile Mshengu. Coordinator is Ubakiles Kosana. Deputy coordinator is Domzoto Molefe. Fundraiser is Tapelo Mutlong. Mobilizer is Buhle Mputi. Additional member is Nomthandazo Buthelezi and Romeo Musoto. Mpumalanga province. Garsibande region. The convener is Ahlahlele Sikabatwe. The deputy convener is Tembelihle Mtembu. The coordinator is Palesa Sakhache. Deputy coordinator is Ntombekayise Mlangeni. Fundraiser is Mthokozisi Makhubo. Mobilizer is Nonkululeko Likhule. And the additional member Sithando Kuhle, Lindokuhle Gift, Thobela. Enhlazeni region, the conveners Banele Vilakazi, the deputy conveners Lungile Mkhetshane, deputy coordinator Nompumelelo Mhlongo, coordinator is Nondumiso Ntandane, mobilizer is Lebogang Lukulieni, and the fundraiser is Nkosana Malopa. Nkangala region, the convener is Spusiso Mabasa, the deputy convener is Nikosi Mtreni, the coordinator is Nonjabulo Vilakazi, coordinator is Pumla Sibolwa, fundraiser is Nonjabulo Kumalo, and the mobilizer is Nkosinati Mkwena. The regions of KwaZulu-Natal are the following. Utugela region, the convener is Mbuso Buthelezi. Convener is Sthembiso, or rather deputy convener is Sthembiso Kubeka. The coordinator is Uxolisile Nontobeko Zuma. The deputy coordinator is Mandiza Mbele. The mobilizer is Tembeka Zondo. Fundraiser Zamazondi. Additional member is Alex Buthelezi. Ilembe region. The convener is Pamandla Ngobo. Deputy convener is Pakamani Ntembu. The coordinator is Mvuyo, or rather Mfundo Manzi. Deputy coordinator is Malibongwe Ndlovu. The fundraiser is Sandiso Mdanda, and the mobilizer is Noluvuyo Lebiso. Zululand. The convener is Minenhle Mabaso. Deputy convener is Nontokozo Mlangeni. The coordinator is Piesisha Zulu. The deputy coordinator is Samkelo Ngumalo. Mobilizer is Sandile Mthembu. Fundraiser is Gugu Kubega and Mkhanya Gute region. The convener is Zanele Mhlongo. Deputy convener is Ntando Nyati. The coordinator is Pamandla Zulu. Deputy coordinator is Nomtebo Mthembu. Mobilizer is Ngamile Mthembu. And the fundraiser is Boniso Gumete. Kinkletshwayo region. The convener is Thando Mdlalose. Deputy convener is Pelelani Mbuyaze. The coordinator is Ngobile Mkhwanazi. Deputy coordinator is Siyabonga Mthethwa. The fundraiser is Nombulela Mngomezulu. Mobilizer is Nontobeko Ntombela, and the additional member is Sia Mthethwa. Amajuba region. The convener is Uthandeka Sithebe. Deputy convener is Bandile Nkonyane. Coordinator is Bondiso Nkosi. Deputy coordinator is Buhle Msomi. Mobilizer is Piesihle Kubeka. Fundraiser is Mbalenhle Buthelezi. Uku region. Convener is Khanyisile, or rather Khanyisa Mtshali. Deputy convener is Siyabonga Mbadlwa. Coordinator is Buyisiwe Promise Mthelezi. Deputy coordinator is Nokwazi Maki. Mobilizer is Celo Mgwaba. Fundraiser is Ukwethu Sikhonza, and the additional member is Nozipho Mzobe. Mzinyathi region. The convener is Sponelo Ngqongqo. Deputy convener is Philisiwe Smilo. Coordinator is Ntongozo Phungula. Deputy coordinator is Qiniso Dlamini. The mobilizer is Nompumelelo Madlala. The fundraiser is Asanda Ngumalo. Mgungundlovu region. The convener is Moiketsi Mahlasela. Deputy convener is Sinenhlanhla Kena. Coordinator is Siyabonga Mkhize. Deputy coordinator is Senamile Nkiti. The mobilizer is Asanda Sbizi. Fundraiser is Sama Mbata. Herikwala. Convener is Ayabonga Sithole. Deputy convener is Phila Mtolo. Coordinator is Tumelo Msomi. Deputy coordinator is Khanyakazi Masangwana. Fundraiser is Koshia Ngcobo. The mobilizer is Usamkelo Dlamini. eThekwini region. The convener is Usandile Shane. Deputy convener is Mange Nyuswa. The coordinator is Nenhlanhla Memela. Deputy coordinator is Kwazi Kwala. The fundraiser is Bandile Kazu, and the mobilizer is Samantha Ngwale. The changes that will be made to the KwaZulu-Natal province for restructuring will be made with the political report that will be given by our national convener, Uqiniso Xibane. The comrades that have been elected, or rather selected today, have been carefully done so for the revolutionary discipline, organizational skill, and the commitment to the path of Umkhonto weSizwe. Their task is here to build ward-based and high school-based branches across all regions, to lead campaign access to youth employment, safety, and education, to mobilize youth for voter registration, community organization, and political education, to forge allegiance and alliances with student formations, youth workers, youth rural formations, civic movements, and trade unions. They will work side by side with the MK Party, the MK Student Movement, the MK Women's League, and the Interfaith Movement, and all progressive forces committed to the transformation of this country. This is more than an announcement, but rather a call to the arms in this revolution that we're facing. To this newly appointed leadership, we say that the mandate is clear and not ceremonial. It is a revolutionary. You carry the heavy responsibility of restoring hope to a generation in crisis, building disciplined and militant structures, and leading the struggle of young people with courage and clarity. We expect nothing less but unwavering commitment, principled unity, and strict adherence to the values and discipline of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Let it be clear, there's no space in this movement for those who fail to rise to the demands of their responsibility, who promote factionalism, or treat the Youth League as a personal playground for their self-interest. The MK Youth League is not a career ladder, but a site of a struggle for the total liberation of our people. To the youth of the villages, the townships, the campuses, the spaza shops, taxi ranks, and rural fields, this is our movement. Rally behind these leaders, join a branch, start a campaign, but most importantly, pick up the spear. Let us finish the revolution that our forebears began. Let us be the generation that reclaims our land, our wealth, and our future. Kwaza Mkhonto Kwaza.
Kwaza Mkhonto Kwaza. Commanders, morning, comrades. My name is Tshoniso Kibane. We'll just request for a few seconds so we can give SG a few seconds so that she can read out the KZN provincial structure. When the SG is here, it's not my duty to read out structures.
Sorry, guys. For KwaZulu-Natal, the structural changes that are made, the convener is Undumiso Ndlovu, the deputy convener is Usibongile Simelane, the coordinator is Slitlantla Shangase, the mobilizer is Ushon Msimanga, the fundraiser is Uponso Musia, deputy coordinator is Minenhle Ngobese, and the additional member is Teboho Madlala.
Thank you, SG. Greetings, comrades. Greetings to young people all over this country. My name is Tshoniso Kibane, the national convener of the MK Youth League. My input as the convener read as follows. The Umkhonto weSizwe Youth League is launching on June 16, and we will be launching in KZN, in eThekwini region, in Christianaberg Stadium, in Watabega Pinetown. The venue has been paid for. That's where our launch will be as the MK Youth League. President Jacob Zuma, we have invited the president. We're hoping he will come and deliver the keynote address. The logo and the constitution were duly submitted in February 2025 to the national officials. We are waiting for the approval as a map road to June 16. The province of KwaZulu-Natal is the birthplace of MK Party, and the people of KZN have rightfully elected the MK Party as its leader. Make no mistake, the people were robbed of their choice by neoliberal government of national unity in the interest of the colonizers and not of our people. The province will return to its rightful leaders, which is the MK Party. We as the MK Youth League have started an initiative with our Bring Back KZN March. We will continue taking to the streets until this nonsensical government of provincial unity is disbanded. And the party is rightfully leading as the People's Party voted for by the people of the people. As mandated by President Jacob Zuma, the MK Youth League is in the process of building affiliation and establishing partnerships with youth movement in our continent and at a global stage. Thus far, we have successfully established a relations with Youth SWAPO in Namibia and Botswana People's Party, Botswana Republican People's Youth League. The MK Youth League will be visiting Botswana at the end of this month. The newly appointed and announced leadership of the MK Youth Detachment of the MK Youth League, alongside previously appointed announced leadership of the MK Youth Detachment, would undergo an induction within next week. The SG will issue out a statement, but next week there will be an induction of all the provincial detachment that have been announced here today. In those invites for our induction, we've invited Comrade Duda Lubero. He has replied to our invitation. He will be coming, and we're still waiting for the others to respond to us. Understanding and undertaking of the ideologies, values, principles of the MK Party, the Constitution and the people's mandates of the MK Party, as well as all of the MK Youth League in this. And comrades, I would like to intensify this, that the task of these comrades that have been appointed here today is to build ward-based branches and high school-based branches across all regions. Is to lead campaigns on land access, youth employment, safety, and education. Is to mobilize youth for voter registration, political education, community organizing. To forge alliance with student formations, youth workers, rural youth forums, civic movements, and trade unions. They will work side by side with the MK Party. They will work side by side with the MK Student Movement and the MK Women's League and the MK Interfaith Movements, and all progressive forces committed to the transformation of this country. This is more than just an announcement, but rather a call to the arms in this revolution we are facing. So, comrades, as disciplined cadres of this movement, we understand that there has been a delay and there's been vacuum across the country in other regions and other provinces. But right now, we have announced new leadership that all young people must respect and must let them lead them. Now, we are humans as comrades. We might have forgotten some comrades, but we are willing to meet all comrades. There are many positions, there are many spaces for all of us to occupy. But we must understand that when we join MK Party, we join it to serve our people, not based on position, and to fight for our economic justice. As President Zuma said, that MK Party is here to finish the unfinished revolution. So we're urging all young people across the country that here's your new leadership. And also as national, we have added members of the national task team, National Youth Detachment. So comrades, we also want to clarify that as the MK Youth League, we never appointed ourselves. We never looked at anyone to appoint us, but we are appointed by the MK Party. So we'll always bind by the rules of the MK Party. The MK Constitution guides us. Whatever we do must be within our Constitution. And also whatever we do, MK Party must be aware. Hence, we must always report because MK Party is leading us. And the MK Youth League is the wing of the MK Party. So young people of this country, here's your leadership that have been appointed. Right now, we have a task at hand. On the 3rd of June, we are going to Free State. MK Party will be appearing in court there regarding where is our vote court case. And right now, our main priority task is the 16th June. Next week, by next week, SG will issue out all the communique in terms of the preparatory committee, in terms of our build-up programs. All of that will be issued out next week because this coming Friday, we're meeting our Treasurer General regarding our budget at the MK Youth League. Kwaza Mkhonto Kwaza. And also, comrades, we must be clear that when we join MK Party, we join the party, not individuals. Now, we understand that right now there are comrades who are trying to confuse young people of the MK Party. So young people of this movement must be clear that we joined MK Party. Whatever MK Party says to us, we'll listen to it and bind by it. Kwaza Mkhonto Kwaza. Chili Chela Mkhonto Chili Chela.
Chili Chela.